Hello, my dear fellow day traders. Welcome to 17th May 2019's pre-open analysis. Today, SGX Nifty is showing 9 points down move at the level of 11,295. Though US markets have done pretty great for itself yesterday. US markets have risen up 214 points up on Dow Jones, 0.84% up, and 75 points up on Nasdaq, 0.97% up, and 25.36% points up on S&P, that is 0.89% up on SGX Nifty. It is still showing negative, though US markets have risen pretty greatly for itself. So US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets to open in positive or green in today's pre-open and go to the open session as well. So what are Indian markets actually hinting us as of now? Indian markets have done pretty great for itself yesterday. Yesterday I had told you this is probably the time where the markets would actually rise up rather than going down, because the totality of slow stochastic and fast stochastic is denoting that the market is totally in a oversold zone. So we have to go up, and 38.2% in the Fibonacci retracement is a very strong support for the markets, guys, and that to 11,100 is a huge psychological support for the markets. So it is time that market moves upwards. Probably we may hit the 11,300 levels or 11,346 levels today, and we may take resistance again and maybe come back to 11,100 levels and then go up. That is quite possible, but this is the time where the market is about to head higher, right? So till the election poll, we will probably head higher, and we will probably go back to the level of 11,800 itself, or I may be totally wrong. It may go disastrously down to the level of 10,500 levels also. That's also quite possible, but the technical analysis just shows that we are going upwards from here onwards, because we have a huge support at the level of 11,100, which is not only the Fibonacci retracement support, but also the psychological support. So what are the supports and resistances we have to watch out for in today's session? So the first level of support is 11,250 and 11,230 levels, and 11,187 levels, 11,171 levels, and 11,162 levels, and 11,125 and 11,100 are the levels of support. If that is broken, then we have to see for 11,089 and 11,000 and 11,050, 11,000 are the supports we have to watch out for in today's session. And what are the resistances we have to watch out for? The first level of resistance comes at 11,300 itself, and 11,346 and 11,374, 11,400, 11,425, 11,432, 11,450, 11,463 are the levels of resistances we have to watch out for if the market is heading higher. And fast stochastic and slow stochastic both denote that we are in a oversold zone, yet we have more upturn to show up in the market. MACD is suggesting that we are in a negative zone. There is not much of momentum in the market as of now. So that is the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. From next week onwards, there will be two sessions, that is 7:30 to 9:30 in the morning and 2:30 to 4:30 in the afternoon. So that is the technical knowledge which I'll be giving you, with 4 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.